Hi students, now book reading. Take a pencil. You should read along with me from Trade to Territory. From Trade to Territory, learning objectives to know the rise of the political power of English East India Company, to know the events and impact of Battle of Plassey and Buxar, to know the Carnatic Wars and Mysore Wars, to know the Anglo-Maratha Wars, to understand the growth of colonial army and the civilian administration, to understand the principles of subsidiary alliance and doctrine of love. Introduction. In the 15th century, Europe withens an area of geographical discoveries through land and sea routes. In 1498, Vasco da Gama of Portugal discovered a new sea route from Europe to India. The main motive behind those discoveries was to maximize profit through trade and to establish political supremacy. The rule of East India Company in India became effective after the conquest of Bengal. The main interest of the company in India was territorial and commercial expansion. Next paragraph. Establishment of political power by the English East India Company. Battle of Plassey. Alverdi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, died in 1756 and his grandson Sirajud-Dowla ascended the throne of Bengal. The British, taking advantage of a new Nawab's weakness and unpopularity, seized power. So Sirajud-Dowla decided to teach them British a lesson by attacking over the Nawab political settlement of Calcutta. The Nawab captured the factory at Kazim Bazar on 20th June 1756. Fort William surrendered, but Robert Clive recovered Calcutta. Black Hole Tragedy. There was a small dungeon room in the Fort William in Calcutta when troops of the Nawab of Bengal Sirajud-Dowla held 146 British prisoners of war for one night. Next day morning, when the door was opened, 123 of the prisoners found dead because of the suffocation. Next paragraph. On 9th February 1757, Treaty of Alinagar was signed, whereby Sirajud-Dowla considered practically all his claims. British then captured Chandranagur, the French settlement, on March 1757. The Battle of Plassey took place between the British East India Company and Nawab of Bengal and his French allies. It was found on 23rd June 1757. The English East India Company's force under Robert Clive defeated the force of Sirajud-Dowla. After the collapse of Bengal, the company gained a huge amount of wealth from the treasury of Bengal and used it to strengthen its military force. The beginning of the British political sway over India may be traced from the Battle of Plassey. It was the most effective decisive battle that marked the initiation of the British rule in India for the next 2 centuries. Battle of Buxar. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the company was granted undistributed right to have free trade in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. It received the place of 24 Parganas in Bengal. Mir Jafar, 1757 to 1760, the Nawab of Bengal, however, fell into areas and was forced to abdicate in favor of his son-in-law Mir Qasim. Mir Qasim ceded Burdwan, Midnapur, and Chittorgarh. He shifted his capital from Murshidabad to Mangaiyar. Mir Qasim soon revolted, asking angry with the British misusing the district's free duty passes. However, having been defeated by the British, he fled to Awadh, where he formed a confederacy with Sujauddin Dowla and Shah Alam. Battle was fought on October 22, 1764 at Buxar, a small fortified town within the territory of Bihar, located on the banks of the Ganges River about 130 kilometers of Patna. It was a decisive victory for the British East India Company. Shujā-ud-Dawla, Shah Alam and Mir Qasim were defeated by General Hector Munro. Mir Jafar was gained place on the throne. On Mir Jafar's death, his son Nizam-ud-Dawla was placed on the throne and signed Allahabad Treaty on 20th February 1765, which the Nawab had to disbandle most of his army and to administrator Bengal through a deputy Subedar dominated by the company. Robert Clive concluded two separate treaties with Shujā-ud-Dawla and Shah Alam too. Dual system of government started in Bengal. Up to this, book reading completed. Now take your material. First question. Write a short note on the black hole tragedy. Write a short note on the black hole tragedy. There was a small dungeon room in the Fort William in Calcutta where troops of the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dawla, held 146 British prisoners of war for one night. First question. There was a small dungeon room in the Fort William in Calcutta where troops of the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dawla, held 146 British prisoners of war for one night. Second point. Next day morning, when the door was opened, 123 of the prisoners found dead because of suffocation. Second point. Next day morning, when the door was opened, 123 of the prisoners found dead because of suffocation. Second question. What were the benefits derived by the English after the Battle of Plassey? What were the benefits derived by the English after the Battle of Plassey? After the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the company was granted undistributed right to have free trade in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Second point, it received the place of 24 Parganas in Bengal. It received the place of 24 Parganas in Bengal. What were the benefits derived by the English after the Battle of Plassey? After the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the company was granted undistributed right to have free trade in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Second point, it received the place of 24 Parganas in Bengal. Next question. Mention the causes for Battle of Buxar. Mention the causes for Battle of Buxar. Mir Qasim, the son-in-law of the Nawab of Bengal, revolted as he was angry with the British for misusing the district's free duty passes. The third question. Mention the causes for the Battle of Buxar. Mir Qasim, the son-in-law of the Nawab of Bengal, revolted as he was angry with the British for misusing the district's free duty pass. Next question. Sixth question. Name the state signed into subsidiary alliance. Name the state signed into subsidiary alliance. Hyderabad, Tanjavur, Awadh, Peshwa, Bhonsle, Gwalior, Indore, Jaipur, Udaipur and Jodhpur. Once again, name the state signed into subsidiary alliance. Hyderabad 1798, Tanjavur 1799, Awadh 1801, Peshwa 1802, Bhonsle 1803, Gwalior 1804, Indore 1817, Jaipur, Udaipur and Jodhpur 1818. Up to this, today class completed. You should write neatly, take a photo, send your answer through WhatsApp. Thank you students. See you in next class.